Since the 60s, the M-16 has been the assault rifle of choice for the U.S. military. I carried one, my troops carried them, and today's soldiers carry them. We're in Columbia, South Carolina, and we're going to see how they make the M-16.
Most soldiers will compare any other weapons they're using to an M16. It's a weapon that generations of soldiers have used since Vietnam. Every time they pulled the trigger, they expected something to happen.
The reliability of the M16 is the responsibility of the folks here at FN Manufacturing. Line Supervisor Brian Cox explained to me how exacting their standards are.
We hold our barrels within 3/1000ths run out.
This instrument has a gauge that can read even the slightest variation in the barrel. If it is not up to spec, the barrel gets adjusted with a little bend and then rechecked until it passes. While the barrel is put through its paces, Brian takes me to see the manufacturing of the lower receiver. This part will house the magazine and trigger mechanism.
What Wayne is doing here, this is the first step in the process of the M16 lower receiver. It's made out of 70-75 alloy aluminum.
Why do you use that?
It's very durable, it's very lightweight, and it's easy to machine.
The machine is loaded, doors closed, and it does its magic.
I love this factory. The problem is the equipment's so high-tech you can't see what's going on. For instance, like right in here where they're machining the tool, there's a whole bunch of soaping lubricant. Keeps it cool, keeps the machine from breaking down. Means we can't see what's going on, we can only see what comes out.
And 20 minutes later,
he blasts that air to remove the coolant that's left and to clean the contact so that each piece fits exactly the same way every time.
this is what the receivers look like when they come out of the soapy mess. Wayne cleans them up before they move on. Many of the folks who work here, like Joyce Taylor, have extra incentive to produce perfect guns every time.
I have a cousin that's over there right now. That's why I do my job as carefully as I can. I think about it all the time.
Like the barrel, all M16 components are double-checked for accuracy and reliability. This computer-guided device measures coordinates on the receiver and compares them to technical specs. With this kind of technology, every M16 comes with a guarantee. As each element passes the rigorous testing, it gets sent on for assembly. We'll show you how the M16 is assembled and how it works.
I remember that smell.
Next.